how to see reels liked by friends on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see which Instagram reels your friends have liked. It's a new feature and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is fully updated. If you see the Update button, tap it. This feature only works on the latest version. Now open Instagram and tap on the Reels tab down at the bottom. Start scrolling through Reels like you normally would and keep an eye on the bottom left of the screen. Every now and then, you'll notice your friend's profile picture icon and line that says something like, "Your friend liked this reel," or "John and 2 others like this." That's the new feature in action. It's not something you can manually search for. Instagram shows them randomly as you browse. You also can't see all the reels a specific friend liked by going to their profile. The only way is by scrolling through reels on the main feed and watching for those notifications. So yeah, that's how you can see what reels your friends have liked. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.